Let's go on to number 2. Pacific Company sells only one product for $12 per unit. So notice this is per unit, not total. So I'm going to put $12 right here in the per unit cost. Okay, and then it says variable production costs are $3 and selling and administrative costs are $170 per unit. So notice it says variable production costs and selling and administrative costs are $170. So I take the $3 plus the 1.7 and I get 4.7. So I can figure out that my contribution margin per unit is 12 minus 4.7 is 7.3. It says fixed costs for 11,000 units are $6,000, so I get my $6,000 there. The question then says, what is operating income when 11,000 units are sold? So I simply take 11,000 times my $12, and then I simply copy it down. So I want 11,000 times 4.7 and 11,000 times 7.3. So notice that, notice that I could have simply started right there because it doesn't ask me what's total sales revenue or total variable cost. It just asks me for this bottom line operating income, or at least I think it does at this point. Okay, and so I could have just taken 11,000 times 7.3 and started right there. So I take my 80,300 minus 6,000, so I get operating income. If I was filling in the blank, I would put 74,300 there. But then I notice there's no 74,300 in my answer. It asked me for a per unit. So I have my 74,300 divided by my 11,000 units, if I can type. And I get 675, so my answer is 675.